Looking for a hosting provider that's fast, secure, and reliable? Today, we're doing a full SiteGround review covering speed, performance, plans, features, and everything you need to know before signing up. And yes, I tested a fully functioning WordPress site myself, so you get real numbers, not just marketing claims. I provide a link in the description below to SiteGround, where you get a SiteGround discount. You'll get up to 83% off SiteGround hosting, plus a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, may not receive a commission from SiteGround at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome SiteGround discount. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit SiteGround. SiteGround is known for its global infrastructure with multiple data centers worldwide, which means you can host your website closer to your visitors for faster load times. Plus, they build their hosting around security, performance, and speed, making it a solid choice for WordPress websites. I put a fully functional WordPress website to the test on SiteGround, and the results were impressive. With an average load time of just 1.1 seconds, that's blazing fast and great for SEO and user experience. On top of that, all plans come with unmetered traffic, so you don't have to worry about sudden spikes in visitors slowing down your site. A big reason behind SiteGround's speed is the high-performance infrastructure powered by Google Cloud, one of the fastest and most reliable networks in the world. They also include a free one-click CDN, which automatically speeds up loading times for visitors anywhere in the world. No configuration needed. Plus, their multi-level caching system can make your site load up to 5 times faster, and they've optimized their servers with custom MySQL setups and ultra-fast PHP technology to boost database and overall site performance even more. In short, SiteGround combines advanced tech with smart optimization to deliver lightning-fast websites right out of the box. Security is one of SiteGround's strongest features. Every plan comes with free SSL certificates to keep your site safe and secure. They also provide daily backups, AI-driven anti-bot systems, and manage WordPress updates to prevent vulnerabilities. SiteGround offers a site scanner to detect malware early, and their WordPress security plugin adds an extra layer of protection specifically for WordPress websites. On top of that, their servers are isolated, meaning even if another site on the same server gets hacked, your site stays protected. SiteGround takes security seriously, so you can focus on growing your website without worry. Another area where SiteGround shines is customer support. They offer 24/7 support via live chat, phone, or tickets. And if you ever get stuck, SiteGround's knowledge base is packed with step-by-step guides and tutorials covering everything from setting up WordPress to managing backups and domains. Whether you're a total beginner or an experienced user, you'll always find clear answers without needing to wait for support. One of the best parts about using SiteGround is their dashboard and site tools. Their site tools dashboard is clean, modern, and easy to navigate. Everything you need, from managing domains to installing WordPress, is right at your fingertips. Unlike traditional hosting panels like cPanel, Site Tools is fully custom built by SiteGround, designed for simplicity and speed. You can handle emails, SSL certificates, backups, and file management in just a few clicks. It's user-friendly enough for beginners, yet powerful enough for advanced users who want precise control over their sites. Whether you're managing one website or several, Site Tools keeps everything organized and intuitive. SiteGround offers a variety of services to fit any website's needs: web hosting plans for standard websites, managed WordPress hosting optimized for performance and security, WooCommerce hosting for online stores with features to handle high sales traffic, reseller hosting, perfect if you want to host and manage multiple clients, cloud hosting for high-performance websites with scalable resources, agency hosting with tools for managing websites and client access in one place. You can also register domain names directly through SiteGround, manage professional email accounts, and even use their email marketing service to send newsletters or automate campaigns. Plus, they have a drag-and-drop website builder with pre-made templates, making it quick and easy to create a professional-looking site even if you've never built one before. SiteGround has 3 main plans. Startup, $2.99 a month, includes 1 website, 10 gigabytes web space, 10,000 monthly visits, and unmetered traffic. GrowBig, $4.99 a month, unlimited websites, 20 gigabytes web space, 100,000 visits per month, unmetered traffic, on-demand backup copies. 30% faster PHP and WordPress staging. GoGeek, $7.99 a month, unlimited websites, 40 gigabytes web space, 400,000 visits per month, unmetered traffic, staging plus Git, white label clients, free private DNS, highest tier of resources, and priority support. If you choose annual billing, you also get a free domain name, which is not included in the monthly term, Every plan comes packed with extras, daily backups, free SSL certificates, managed WordPress updates, advanced caching, and robust security measures. SiteGround also offers tools like on-demand backups, staging environments, and Git integration for developers. So is SiteGround worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're starting your first website or running multiple WordPress sites, SiteGround offers speed, reliability, and top-notch support, all at competitive prices. If you care about performance, security, and a smooth user experience, this is a hosting provider worth considering. I'll provide a link to SiteGround in the description below, where you'll get a SiteGround discount. Click it to get started with a plan that fits your needs. And don't forget to grab your free domain name if you choose annual billing.